So whenever you work around with Adobe Lightroom Classic, what you have to work around with to work with photos, to manage photos, is catalog. So in order to go ahead and create a new catalog, you need to go around onto File, and in case you're starting Lightroom for the first time, it'll actually go ahead and tell you to make a new catalog. In my case, I already have a catalog open, so I'm just going to create a new one. So I'm going to click on New Catalog right here. You can click on Open a Catalog to open an existing catalog as well. So let's just go ahead and click on New Catalog. And over here, what I'm going to do is on my TutorTube drive, I'm just going to go around and say sample TutorTube catalog right here, just like this, and click on Create. So once you do that, what happens is that the application restarts just like this, and it is opening catalog, as you can see. And now what happens is that a fresh new catalog actually opens up, and this is what you have. And you can see that this is the sample TutorTube catalog, and this is where you can actually go ahead and import out the photos as you like. So now around over here, you can see that this is what you have. So it says, would you like to import from your Photoshop Elements catalog? I'm just going to go ahead and press cancel right here. I don't want to actually go ahead and import out any other application photos. So now you can simply go ahead right here, go to import, and then browse your disk right here just like this and import out photos as you like. For example, I can go ahead and access out my drives, as you can see right here. So I can simply go ahead right here and then go around onto, let's say, for example, images, and then go ahead and then check and uncheck images that I want, and then simply go ahead and then import this out right here just like this, as you can see. And then the files are imported right here inside just like this. And that is how you can go ahead and then create out a new catalog as you like, and then import out photos as you like inside of Adobe Photoshop Lightroom Classic. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.